Hey guys, hi. I'm starting a series of videos on how I trade using my new manual trading system called Meteora. I've already made a few of my first trades. The point of the system is to show step by step the trading process, how it all works and how much I earn. If everything goes well, if the system works properly, then in about a month, I'll publish it on my website, intradaysoft.com, and on my MQL5 page. I think everyone knows what kind of marketplace that is. So the Meteora system itself looks like this. It works on a multi-currency portfolio on a huge number of assets, in principle on any asset. I'll show you how many windows I have open. On each quote window, the system and a utility that helps with trading are installed. This system is for manual trading, and trades are not opened automatically. They are opened after I receive a trading signal. Trading signals are automatically generated right now. You can clearly see them appearing directly on the quote chart. These distinct red vertical lines represent the specific moments when sell signals appear, and the bright blue lines indicate the exact points where buy signals are triggered. So as you can see, yes, a buy signal, the quotes go up, a sell signal, the quotes go down. And here you can see a lot of signals. This system, or rather this indicator, has an information window where, although you probably can't see it because it's too small, the statistics of the system's trading signals are displayed. It shows the profit factor, how many points of profit the system has earned over the selected analysis period, and the system is highly customizable, as I mentioned, and works on any asset. So I started trading on a real account. Here are the trades that I have opened. I have a small profit on my trades so far. And I'll show you the trades that are currently open. There was a significant sell trade occurring right here. I started trading this morning. I set it up. And the utility, of course, shows the history where, for example, on the currency pair Australian dollar versus Swiss franc, there was a sell signal right here. And looking at the charts, I saw that I could actually enter the market for a sell position at a much better level right now. And that is exactly how I decided to execute this sell trade. Now, please keep in mind that this specific trade will be closed once this histogram, let me enlarge it for you so you can see it clearly, finally reaches the 0 level on the indicator. Overall, how does this system work? This sophisticated system comprehensively analyzes the global market, accurately determines the current state of the market balance, and clearly shows exactly when the market enters a significant growth phase, at which point we strategically make our purchases, or a major decline phase, at which point we carefully execute our sales in order to maximize our potential. The system gives a pop-up window, a sound alert, a push notification, and sends a message indicating that a trade should be made. When the market enters a decline phase, see here, the price chart is divided by this red line. This is a sell signal. I decide to execute a sell trade on the platform. And the final outcome of the trade is officially recorded at the exact moment when this histogram finally reaches the specific target levels. The target levels are placed right here in the indicator itself. You can see a horizontal line and you can see this kind of stepped channel. The relative strength index indicator is also frequently used to record and to effectively close out trades when the specific overbought and oversold levels are finally reached. Consequently, the market price started to steadily go down from this exact point. The indicator determined that the market had reached here is some kind of balance line, and it reached the level where it can be considered that the market started to decline. We make a sell trade, and this trade closed somewhere around this level, and we made some profit there. There were 2 buy trades here. This is roughly speaking like averaging. We entered the market at one level, then at another level. The indicator calculates this market balance. And here it determined that there would be growth. There was growth, but it wasn't enough to close the trade. That is, the histogram did not reach the closing level. Here, the indicator decided, saw that the market was still moving in the direction of growth and gave another signal. And here at this level, we lock in, we close, so we end up closing these two buy trades and make a profit. So everything works intuitively, very simply and clearly. There is a virtual stop loss here, which is used in the indicator when the quotes, let's say the indicator gives a sell signal. If the market starts or continues to move upward, then at some point a signal is given that the trade needs to be closed. I have disabled this virtual stop loss, although it can be enabled. For example, here it says virtual stop loss of. If I go into the settings and click OK, then trading will be done with a virtual stop loss. I'll turn it off because without a stop loss, this system works much better. Even though, for example, there was a sell signal and the market is rising, and with these two individual trades, we will unfortunately incur a loss. But overall, if you take a moment to carefully scroll through and examine the entire price history chart for this specific asset, you will clearly see that there were a lot of very good signals here that closed with quite substantial and impressive profits. And the overall profit factor is comfortably sitting at over 2. That is, profits without a stop loss are twice as high as with a stop loss, although you can adjust this indicator so that it works well even with a stop loss. If this system works well, I will publish it and provide detailed recommendations on how it works and how to use it most effectively. With a stop loss or without a stop loss, so you can earn well. In general, I think it will be interesting. And most importantly, this system is designed for all those who love manual trading, because trading bots are one thing. You set it up and forget about it. It's kind of like an automatic investment. But for those who really love trading, I absolutely love trading, and I personally love trading manually. I know a great number of dedicated individuals who also truly love the art of manual trading. So this system will be very interesting for you. This sophisticated system works very intuitively and will allow you to consistently profit from these specific market shifts, which include both the sudden rise and the gradual fall of asset prices, by carefully calculating the precise balance line across a very large number of diverse financial assets in real time. And by the way, the system also works on gold, silver, platinum, nickel. In other words, on metals. You can use it on indices, you can use it on company stocks. But I chose currency pairs because at the moment, this will be more balanced and the trading will involve lower risk. Right now, my balance is 2,707. As you can see from the history, I made a deposit today. This is the Darwin X broker. Trading is currently, specifically using a 1-hour time frame. That's all I can say about this system at the moment. Going forward, as signals appear and trades are closed, I will record new videos so you can periodically see how it works and how the trading goes. And if everything goes well, this system will be available to you. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Bye.